Have you ever felt super motivated to learn English? You study for hours. You watch videos. You feel excited. But then, a few days later, you stop. You lose interest. You quit. So what happened? The problem is simple. Motivation doesn't last. The truth about motivation. Motivation feels powerful, but it's temporary. It comes and it goes. Some days you feel excited. Some days you don't. If you only study when you feel motivated, you'll never be consistent. Why motivation fails you? Here's what motivation does. It makes you start. But it doesn't help you continue. When things get hard, you feel tired. You feel bored. You feel stuck. Motivation disappears. And that's why most people quit. What really works? Discipline. Discipline is different. You don't wait to feel ready. You just do it. Even when you're tired, you're busy, you don't feel like it. Discipline creates progress. How discipline helps you improve. 1. Builds daily habits. 15-30 minutes. Every day. Not perfect, but consistent. Small actions, big results. 2. Keeps you moving forward. Even on bad days, you still practice. And that's what creates long-term improvement. 3. Removes emotional decisions. You don't ask, do I feel like studying? You already decided. No thinking, just action. How to build discipline. Step 1. Start small. Don't study 3 hours. Start with 10-20 minutes a day. Step 2. Fix a schedule. Same time every day. Make it a habit. Step 3. Make it easy. Choose simple activities. Listening. Speaking. Reading. Step 4. Track your progress. See your improvement. That builds momentum. So remember, motivation helps you start. Discipline helps you finish. If you want to succeed in English, don't wait to feel ready. Because you don't become fluent by feeling motivated. You become fluent by showing up every day. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.